So I may suggest that this train we're gonna choose a place to drop on. Let's try Port of Call, I guess. Nope, I'm not driving that. How about India? Let's choose electric. Here it is. I may suggest that this train is just nothing. Here we go. This train may be loud, but not in this game. Only in real life. Only in real life. I didn't divert in time. I was supposed to gonna divert here on this left track. So I may suggest that this train, oh yeah, Dublin can be better. This is Indian Railways. This is the most proudest train. Oh yeah, one more thing. This train is currently in service in West Bengal, India. We got a lot of coconut trees right there. Coconut trees. So I may suggest that this train is just real. Horn blaring, I guess. Zoom in close to this beautiful train. It's the W87. Horn blaring. Bell. Really cool. Also, one more thing. This train is an electric locomotive, so it runs on overhead wires. It sends electricity to the entire train, except for these wagons. This has no power. Only the lead trains can pull it. So I may suggest that this is bridge. Far close. Right, zoom in a little bit. Very good. I may suggest that this train is just really good. Ayo. Like my train is just really running to me. The time is 1:34 p.m. here in the Philippines. You can literally see the time on the bottom of the screen. Oh yeah, one more thing. My phone is iPhone XS Max. The X is for 10, iPhone XS Max. Wait, loop. Oh no. I thought this is the loop. It wasn't finished yet. Okay, I almost stopped. Never. on the second train. There are no passengers here, so I can just pass through the stations, those empty stations. The train number is 30278. Oh, there's the Taj Mahal. It's located in India. I just passed by to that tall building. I may suggest. Oh no. Then my train's gonna derail. I'll pass this railway before. This is just a diamond crossing. And here we are in a mountain area with a few coconut trees. The water's glitching. It's turning black for seconds. Not just in there. Triple railway. Ooh, there's so many houses there. Is that an opposite train? Maybe my train is it's pulling a sleeper class. This train has beds inside. Oh, loop, stop. Bell or horn. Currently stopping. Alright, goodbye guys.